Okay, so let's say our sixth grade class is doing a unit on volcanoes, and they would like their sixth graders to read this article, Science Says Volcanoes Explained. If you notice, the Lexile is 840L, so that might be a little high for a student with a learning disability. So the first thing that the student would want to do after going to this article is take a look and see if it's too busy for them. In this case, there's some advertisements moving around and some pictures, and they may want to just focus on this text. So TextHelp Read and Write allows them to simplify it. I know it may be hard to see on my screenshot right now, but there's an icon for TextHelp on the top of that browser. It's a little puzzle piece. It brings up this menu. So Simplify is right over here, and if we click it, it opens a new tab with just the text. So from here, the student may want to read the article. They can choose to just hit play, and the article will start reading in a fairly normal voice that isn't too robotic.
Science Says Volcanoes Explain Smithsonian Tween Tribune. Hawaii's Kilauea is not your typical blow-the-top-off kind of volcano. It's been simmering and bubbling for about 35 years.
And I'll stop it there. Now, the student might not know some of those words, so maybe they're not sure what simmering means. If they double-click it, they can use the dictionary option, which is right here. That one. And the definition comes up right away. If they want it to read the definition to them, they can click this button here.
Noun. Cooking in a liquid that has been brought to a boil.
Okay, and there's also a great option here to use the image dictionary. So if a student maybe double clicks a word like lava, they can use the image option and they can see a picture of what that looks like. So here we see a picture of some lava erupting out of a volcano. There's also a highlighting feature, so it might be helpful for them to keep track of what they've read or not read. So if they select some text, they can choose to put it in one color and maybe some other text in a different color. So that can help them keep track as they're reading of where they're at. There's also other features in Read and Write that are helpful for writing, and we'll explore those next.